Have you ever held the broken pieces of your life in your hands? Have you ever stood in the middle of your room, surrounded by silence, and whispered to yourself, "How did I end up here? And how do I possibly begin again?" That question is one of the heaviest things a human heart can carry. It usually comes after a storm. Maybe a relationship that you thought would last forever suddenly ended. Maybe a job you worked so hard for is gone. Or maybe you just woke up one day and realized you were living a life that didn't belong to you anymore. It feels like the ground beneath your feet has disappeared. You are falling and you don't know when you will hit the bottom. It is scary, it is cold, and it feels incredibly lonely. When we have to start over, the first thing we feel isn't hope. It is grief. It is a deep, aching sadness for what we have lost. We spend so much time building our lives. We build routines. We build dreams. We build a vision of who we are. When that falls apart, it feels like we have lost ourselves. You might look in the mirror and think, "I don't know this person anymore." Please listen to me when I say this. It is okay to not be okay. Society often tells us to move on quickly. People say, "Don't worry, you will find something better." They mean well, but sometimes you just need to sit with the pain. You need to cry. You need to mourn the life you thought you were going to have. You cannot build a new house on a broken foundation. You must first clear the wreckage, and that takes time. Once the tears stop falling, a new feeling comes: fear. Starting over means walking into the dark. It means waking up in the morning without a map. Yesterday, you knew exactly where you were going. Today, the road is gone. This is terrifying. These voices in your head are loud. They try to keep you small. They try to keep you safe in your sadness, because sadness is familiar and the new life is unknown. But deep down, there is a tiny part of you, a quiet, brave little voice that knows you cannot stay down forever. Starting over is not a movie. It doesn't happen in one dramatic moment with loud music. It happens in the quiet, simple moments. It happens when you make a cup of coffee in the morning and, for the first time in weeks, the sun feels warm on your face. It happens when you hear a joke and you actually laugh, a real, genuine laugh. It happens when you decide to try a new hobby, or walk down a new street, or cook a meal just for yourself. These are the sparks. They are small, but they are powerful. They are signs that your heart is still beating and that your capacity for joy is not gone.